Welcome to the world of vending machines. The peak of automatic sales has not been reached yet. A weak scenario can be seen in Brazil, especially when in comparison with other countries. In 2011, for example, in Germany there was a vending machine for each group of 410 people, with an expectation of 5% annual growth, while in the United States there was a vending machine for each group of 90 people, with an expectation of 3% annual growth. In Japan, there was one machine for each group of 20 people, and in 2009, the sales reached $100 billion. According to data from the Brazilian Association of Automatic Sales, in 2011, there were 45,000 of operating vending machines. This represents one machine for a group of 4,150 people and generated an annual billing of 250 million reais, with an estimation of 10% growth per year. With the increasing market, the vending machines market in Brazil is facing a real growth process. But how do the vending machines work? The majority of vending machines in the current market work with coins, bills, or credit cards, what makes it harder to be used, since people aim to carry less amount of money in their wallets for safety reasons or just because of the coin's weight. Besides, the operating vending machines need to be manipulated with the use of buttons, what contributes to possible contaminations. If the use required no buttons, all the process would be cleaner, improving the hygiene and health parameters. As far as the automatic sales technology goes, a group of 4 college students came up with that question, and managing to answer, the group became a new team called Cobalt Engineering, constituted by mechatronics engineering students from Salvador University in association with Laureate International Universities, Almir Gomes, Carolina Moraes, Mateus Ladeia, and Pedro Alonso. To fill the market needs and upgrade the current vending machines, Cobalt Engineering created a new product and proudly presents the C1M1, the vending machine controlled by a phone call. That's right, all the user's experience and product purchases are made during a phone call, making the user's mobile phone its controller. Cobalt Engineering thought of the next technological step, the mobile payment. See how the C1M1 works. First, the consumer calls the machine number, so it answers and waits for the consumer to choose the product through the phone keyboard, and then the product is released. This process aims to simplify things, since worldwide the cell phone sales were raised 31.8% in 2010. It's not just that. According to analysts from the Brazilian magazine called Exame, the transitional value for mobile purchases will almost triplicate from $60 billion in 2011 to $170 billion in 2015. The mobile purchase is catching on all over the world. That's why big companies as Vodafone, Visa, and Google are investing on it. In fact, the Brazilian government recently released a note reporting that we will approve small mobile payments, looking forward to create a new cheap and fast payment system. For maximum design, the C1M1 carries a bunch of differentiators like the LED screen and its superior performance movers. The C1M1 also offers a couple of exclusives to manage the client's market. One of those options is an application for the most famous platforms of gadgets like iOS, Android, and Windows Phone. This will help consumers find the C1M1s in town, show the available products, and will be integrated with Facebook, Twitter, and other social networks, working as a real machine finder software. Other option is the commercial data selection. A saving data system inside the C1M1 will allow Cobalt Engineering to collect information of purchases and clients. The renter will receive statistics of his machine, like how many products were sold, which product sold more, his profits, and when to redeposit products, and also Cobalt's rate offer. The renter will be able to create a list of clients' contacts. It works like that. After the purchase, a text message will be automatically sent to the buyer. If the client agrees to participate of the buying club, his contact will be given to the renter. This process allows the renter to get in touch with his client at any moment, leading to a new buying circle. It's the creation of a vending machine network. As shown, the C1M1 has storage devices capable of adaptations, which makes possible great diversity in types of products: food, beverage, toys, or clothes. With all the sporting events to come, Cobalt is giving focus to the sporting products as mini balls, t-shirts, flags, and souvenirs in general. Anything that can be put inside a spherical pack. The FIFA World Cup in 2014 and the Olympics in 2016, both to be hosted in Brazil, will be great windows to the actuation of C1M1. The FIFA World Cup 2014 billing is being estimated in 65 million reais. Besides, the sport industry in Brazil was about $17 billion, represent 3.3% of the GDP, and it's the fourth biggest economy in the country. It's expected for the Brazilian sporting market an annual growth of 10% and 25% in the sporting seasons. The C1M1 is the new tool for the selling universe. It will establish a new culture for automatic sales and mobile purchases. Be a part of that change. Contact us, Cobalt Engineering.